How to add birthdays on Google Calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. To add birthdays on Google Calendar, go ahead and open up the Google Calendar app on your device. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on the hamburger menu button. There, from the expanded menu, make sure that the birthday option is checked. Once you do that, now all the saved birthdays will show up on Google Calendar. You can also add birthdays manually. From the home page of Google Calendar, go to the bottom right corner and tap the plus icon. Now select the birthday option and then write down the name at the top of the screen and then choose the time and set the date for the birthday event from the toggle menu, and right where you can see day of the event, click on that and select when you want to be alerted for the event. You can choose between the day before a particular 5 p.m. time window. You can select from the options at the bottom when you want to be alerted about the birthday event. Once you are done, select the default color from the bottom menu for the birthday. I'm just going to select yellow for now. And finally click on Save at the top right corner, and there you have successfully added birthday manually on your Google Calendar. So there you have it. That is how you can add birthdays on Google Calendar. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.